Welcome to A&L RV Sales. Here's a look at one of our units from our Murfreesboro inventory. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with power tongue jack, shower skylight, decorative wood plank flooring, big corner shower, living room fireplace, day and night shades, AM/FM CD DVD player, frameless windows, living area closet, triple slides, large counter area, outside gas grill, TV antenna with booster, designer headboard, TV hookup in bedroom, toilet area with cabinets, sink, vanity, and medicine cabinet, front bedroom, walk-around queen bed, solid surface kitchen countertops, LED interior lighting, 2 recliners, electric stabilizer jacks, solid surface sink covers, electric awning with LED lights. For over 19 years, A&L RV Sales has followed a simple principle: offer quality products, back them with quality service, and most of all, make the customer's overall experience as enjoyable and hassle-free as possible. A&L RV Sales has 2 family-run locations to serve you: our original location in Johnson City, Tennessee, and most recently, our store located in Murfreesboro. To us, there's no higher priority than your satisfaction. We don't want to just have your business. We want to hold true to being the RVer's friend. So come visit us today. We're looking forward to meeting you, and so is your next RV.